Okay, so let's go ahead and finish those got it's. So on page 614, we've got it A, and it says find the radius or diameter. So given the dimension. So if D equals 23 centimeters, well, radius equals diameter divided by 2. So 22 divided by 2 is 11, so 11.5. R equals 11.5 centimeters. All right. Got it B. It says R equals 3 inches. Since diameter equals 2 times R, so 2 times 3 is 6 inches. Got it. And again, pause me if you need to. I'm going to kind of work through these quickly simply because they are all very similar. Got it C. D equals 16 yards. Now, diameter is 2 times the radius. So to find the radius, you need to divide the diameter by 2. Now, it may seem like we're doing it pretty quickly. Once you just kind of get it in your head that diameter is twice the radius, or the radius is half of the diameter, it'll kind of click to you pretty quickly. So 16 over 2, 8 yards. Let's see, R equals 5.2. Equals 5.2. And if diameter is 2 times R, 5.2, then D equals 10.4. Oh, it doesn't have units. Interesting. Yep, so it's just 10.4. Alrighty, on page 615, let's see, we've got it E. It says find the circumference of each circle. Use 22 over 7 for pi. Remember, 22 over 7, if you type it into your calculator, you get 3.142857. It gives you the longer version of pi. But you can use, typically they'll say that you can use 3.14 as well. In this case, because they say 22 over 7 specifically, and it's not the same as 3.14, then let's use that. So start with our formula. Remember, that's our cheat sheet. I will use 2 pi r, but you can use pi times diameter, because 2 times r equals d. So C equals 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius for got it E. They give you the diameter. That entire pink line is the diameter, 70 inches. So the radius would be 35 inches because it's half of the diameter. So use your calculator, of course. I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you verbally how to type this in. You would do 2 parentheses, 22 divided by 7, because the fraction bar is the same thing as division, close parentheses, and I'm going to do another set of parentheses, type in 35, close parentheses. When you press equals, you should get C equals 220, and it's going to be inches. Because we're not finding area, it's not inches squared. Area is the only thing where our units need to be squared. If you chose to use the C equals pi times D, you would do the 22 over 7 times the flat 70. Again, it's the exact same thing. It just depends on how you prefer to write it. All right, let's do got it F. It gives us the radius, which for me I like because I use the C equals 2 pi r. So C equals 2 times, they asked us to use 22 over 7, so we're going to, and then times the radius, 7 over 8. Depending on which calculator you are using, you can use parentheses and do 22 divided by 7, or you can use parentheses and then the ABC button. it doesn't matter, whichever you prefer. So in your calculator, I'm going to do 2 parentheses, 22 divided by 7, close parentheses, open parentheses, 7 divided by 8, close parentheses, and we should get 5.5 or 5 1/2. C equals 5. Because everything else is in fraction form, I'm going to keep it in fraction form, so 5 1/2 feet is our final answer. So for the homework, I am going to post a picture, just like I do a scan, really, of the answer key. It's very detailed. I'm not going to do a video of it unless there are a lot of questions, but that will be on Google Classroom, just like it usually is for like a pre-test or a practice test or any other worksheet where I give you the answer key to review. As always, if you have any questions while we're not in the classroom and I can't be there with you, feel free to message me via Google Classroom. We can set up a video conference on Zoom. I am still here for you, so anything that you need, just keep me updated. You've got to be an advocate for yourself. We're going to rock this. Weird situation, but we're making the best of it.